suddenly said that aliens are invading this Earth. So everyone get prepared. People are going to fight those aliens, okay? It's about to go down. I give you this chimera, you fight and kill at the same time. Ane? Okay. Roger that, sir. Okay, now you can leave. Ah! Oh, far the humans are winning. The humans are losing. No. I'm going to kill you. To kill you first. No, I'm out of ammo. Don't worry, friend. I'm here to save you. Bah! Is that a giant? Oh no, flying rocks. Actually still alive? Oh, oh, oh.